Hey there, this is Delene, and today I am working on a top that I bought that was just plain white, and I really like plain white, but it just felt like it needed a little bit more decoration, and I've been debating and I finally decided to use a wing needle and some heirloom stitches. So on the neckline, I used a 5-pointed star, which looks like little flowers, and then a single entre-deux stitch along the seam. And now I'm going to be working on the armholes with just the single entre-deux stitch and around the hem. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, but I thought I'd do a little bit of stitching so you can see what it looks like. I'm using scraps of a water-soluble stabilizer so I can kind of wash that out, and it'll help keep things from getting sorry, this is one of my homemade videos, so I know I'm all over the place, but I just thought you really might like to see it. And I did not want my needle to go that direction. Anyway, okay, so now I got my stabilizer under there, and I can start stitching. And one of the features on this machine that I was using a while ago is this new laser light. It really helps you see where you're going. If you want to line something up, I'm a little bit off up there, I can tell. So I'm going to whack it over just a little bit. And then here we go. So that's all you have to do is just kind of sew in a fairly straight line. And what you end up with a single entre-deux is that. So it looks like I moved around a little bit, but that's okay.